Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is your host Mr. Singh. Nvda, ticker symbol NVDA. What a month we have been having for Nvda, breaking some key resistance level, support level, even though my 60-day moving average got destroyed at $830. What are we looking? Is Nvidia done? There's a lot of questions arising. Folks, I'm here to cover it. Yes. I'm going to cover it on the fundamental and the technical side. Absolutely, on those stock. And what are we looking on the key levels? And looking at it on Monday and how we reacted, coming the low of $764, coming all the high of $800. Well, without further ado, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals. Then I'm going to talk about my portfolio, what I've done it, and what are the key levels to look at and moving forward for the rest of the month. So Nvidia and the three other alt stock is a new outperform rating. So as we know that in the AL is a revolution of a full swing and is one of the big winner in the tech wave of a semiconductor industry, which provides a specialized chips of owning it. And the semiconductor market could grow up to 1.14 trillion by 2033. That is an upside, which a growth rate of 7.6% as a bright future. So the growth level is there, especially for Nvidia. And I'm going to talk a little bit in later articles why Nvidia is one of a top performer in terms of their financial, in terms of their growth, in terms of their vision, and what are they and how they have been achieving it time and time. Well, the target still stays the same. Over rating over $1,000. My target is still 1,200, which I was very keeping an eye on all the way to the end of April and May. Doesn't look like it happening due to the market inflation, interest rate cut off, and how the market was unstable during the past 2 weeks right now. So also keep an eye. We are just about a month away from earnings coming up for Nvidia. In time you can clearly see how Nvidia estimate and reported EPS is always been a little bit different, but the revenue, what generates this is revenue, and Nvidia is on the right track of achieving it. Also, one of the best significant 7, Nvidia has an upside of 15%. The significant 7 is Meta, Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, Nvidia, Tesla, and Microsoft. And Tesla is still there, one of my another stock that I invest on as well. So Nvidia is not going anywhere, folks, so buckle up, fasten the seatbelt, because this is just an enjoyable ride for Nvidia, and it's coming to a discounted price. Why Nvidia stock rocket in the quarter? Recently we can see the company's market capitalization stands alone is $1.9 trillion, and the current stock is $793, with a despite recent dip of 17.5%. So 17.5% we have been over the past week. Nvidia has an impressive gain of 28% for the past 3 months. According to the GF value, the stock firmly is valued between $728, an increase of the GF value of $572. So this is about the introduction of Nvidia. I'm not going to go over that because I want to cover the article of that. Unmatched profitability. Stay with me, folks. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Nvidia's financial health is robust and is evident by its perfect profitability of 10 out of 10. When a company is profitable, when their cost is low and their operating cost is low, which is called an overhead cost, and they're making money, that is a substantial company for the future growth, future development, and future vision for the keep growing for the company. Nvidia is on the right track, and they have been performing it over and over right now. And as investors, I am very happy to see how this company has been outperforming, destroying all their competitors as well, and making a ton of money. So the earnings coming up is going to be fabulous in terms of some news great breakout. And why I want to see some market to be stability, because the market is not stable a little bit because of the fear of inflation cut. Then even the the earnings come out will not gonna push this price over $1,000. Also, the figures of the statement of Nvidia consists profitability over past decade. So definitely we want to see that a company makes profitability and gives investors like us an assurance there is a vision, there is a growth for this company. So investors' confidence in Nvidia, the notable investors have taken a significant position in Nvidia, demonstrating a confidence in the company's future. Mr. Guilford trade portfolio holds about 113 million over shares, representing a 0.5%. Ken Fisher trades portfolio over 8 million, and Philippe Fraud also portfolio of over 4 million shares of a 0.1%. These holdings reflect the investments committee belief in Nvidia's potential continue. So there is big dogs are on the play, right? They have not sold shares yet, so definitely to keep an eye. Competitive landscape. In the comparison of the competitors, Nvidia stands out. It's a crucial market cap of 1.98 trillion. But we definitely the Broadcom, the financial cap is over 565 billion, and micro device financials value over that. So even the competitors are not even close to be half, or one is close to be half, and the rest not even half of the market cap. So the vision absolutely over there for Nvidia and how you can. So Nvidia conclusion, Nvidia's market position concludes the recent stock performance reflects a fair valuation of the market response of its strong profitability and growth metrics. The company's strategic position is a semiconductor industry and competitive innovative approach to GPU and algorithm. So as this pullback happens, I know some of you guys maybe have bought the shares over $800, $850, or even close to $900, and now worried what is going to happen with this company pulling back like this. Well, this is a very common to stocks. I have seen it many times with the significant 7 stocks. And time and when this pullback, this is the time you need to strategize your plannings. I did have my position over that. I did sold my Nvidia. Now I just started my new position back on Nvidia as well on that, because I wanted to lock a profit, and also I wanted to start a new portfolio also at a cheaper price with a call option. So what I did, folks, Nvidia, I got 300 shares right now. Nvidia over that, a little bit over the money on that. This is not I'm worried about. But Nvidia as well, I have that. I'm about to load my call options as well, which I'm going to discuss in the next video. And what are the key levels I'm looking at it. The market pullback have kind of restructured my portfolio, such as NIO, Mara, Tesla, and everything else, where I did have to sell some shares. A lot, actually, close out most of my share accounts on that, locked the profit, took one account a loss, which was okay, and start back again because of a dip on that. So my plan is to add another close to about 100 shares over here that I'm looking at it for Nvidia, but I'm waiting and seeing on the certain price to drop at the level, but it's more as a breakout on that. So without further ado, we're going to talk on the technical side. What are we looking for Nvidia? So definitely Monday was a roller coaster ride, drop of $764 and went high of $800. You can clearly see that on the 1 month trend, we've been trading in between these two, my resistance, a support level, a resistance level, and the support level was sitting at $899, which is gonna be changed now to be a blue, because now it is gonna be, now I'm gonna keep it as that because we have not break it out. Is my resistance level sitting right over here? I talked about $830. We came and tested it. We broke, we couldn't even break out. Then we fell through all the way to 556 and then came around over here today and closed at $795. So we're going to start doing some key level technical analysis. What are the couple support levels coming up for Nvidia? Definitely it's going to be sitting at right about at $756 because that was the one dip that we happened. And then another one you're looking at right roughly about $674, which we're gonna have it right up here. I know we have this $664, but another resistance support level is sitting roughly at about $663. Reason behind it, because you clearly see that is acted as a support as well right here. So some of the big gaps over here, definitely you guys thinking that's a Mr. Singh, that's about close to $100 gap on that, but that is some of the support level I'm looking at it. But in terms of the moving average, yes, we did have this massive dip over here. Volume predicts price, and you can clearly see that we have been selling a lot, and where the bears has been taking advantage of it. Kudos to the bears, you have been making profit on that, but that is something to keep an eye moving forward. Shifting the gear to the 6 months, I want to show you guys clearly where we at is on that is the moving average, right? So my moving average 60-day is right here sitting at $839. Where is sorry, that's my 200-day. The 60-day sitting at $850. So what we gotta break is $830, because if we don't start trading over here, then it's gonna be a confirmation that it is a complete reversal coming in. But right now, even the moving average is about to squeeze over. It is there is a breakout pattern happening about it, because look at the MACD. That is the reason I always believe on trading as well on the technical side, is look at the MACD. It's about to have a reversal where you can see it's getting the highs of $830. So something to keep an eye for Nvidia, absolutely, because it's coming to an area. And even though I started my portfolio, if it comes to break and get rejected, then I will get out on that, lock some profit. But that's an area that I'm looking at it of these two moving average. If the blue line cross over the pink line, then the folks buckle up, fasten a seatbelt. You can see 633 is coming in play for Nvidia, and that. And then earnings is coming up. You know how earnings plays out with Nvidia. Historically, data always does good. So let's go hope for fingers on that, because I'm still finishing it up the financial bag on Nvidia. I'm gonna give a breakdown and what are the key things I'm looking at it, and what is the price prediction coming on it. So couple things, folks, before I let you guys. 756, another support level. 830, that we got a magic number. You're gonna break it out to have the confirmation for uptrend. Folks, here you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Sorry I wasn't doing a video on the weekend due to family emergency, but I'm back. I'm getting it done. I'm excited. I'm pumped of this company. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification. Thank you.